subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has finally launched its new mid-range smartphone globally called Redmi 10 with premium looking design. Talking about the specifications, the Redmi 10 features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz adaptive sync refresh rate support, and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 on top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G88 processor paired with Mali-G52 MC2 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage that is further expandable up to 512GB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Redmi 10 supports a quad camera setup on the rear that includes a 50MP main camera with a 1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide angle lens with 120° field of view plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 8MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging, but it comes bundled with 22.5W charger inside the box, and it supports 9W reverse charging as well. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on MIUI 12.5 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it includes dual speakers on both the sides for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, FM radio, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.95 by 75.53 by 8.92mm, and it weighs around 181 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Redmi 10 has been priced in Malaysia for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 649 Malaysian ringgits, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 749 Malaysian ringgits. And the smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in carbon grey, pebble white, and sea blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Redmi 10 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.